Do you know why more and more businesses are choosing UV printing? It's not just a printing method, it's a solution that unlocks limitless creativity. Let's explore the 5 key benefits of UV printing. 1. Versatility. UV printing works on almost any surface. From glass and acrylic to leather and silicone. It opens endless opportunities for creative and personalized production. 2. High print quality. UV printers produce vibrant colors and crisp edges. The ink sits on the surface instead of soaking in, preserving sharp details and rich tones. 3. Durability. Cured UV ink is highly resistant to scratches, fading, and water. Whether for phone cases, outdoor signage, or industrial labels, prints stay vivid and long-lasting. 4. Speed and efficiency. With instant curing, UV printing eliminates drying time. It enables faster turnaround and higher productivity, perfect for businesses with tight deadlines. 5. Eco-friendly. UV inks contain little to no VOCs, making them an environmentally friendly option aligned with today's sustainability trends. In short, UV printing's versatility, quality, and efficiency open new doors for creative manufacturing. To learn more about UV printers and how they can transform your business, follow us for the latest insights and printing solutions.